அஸ்மத்குரு பரம்பராய நமக. ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமக. இந்த மாதம் ஐப்பசி சுதர்சன ஆழ்வாருடைய திருநட்சத்திரம் அக்டோபர் 21 வர்றது. This month we are celebrating Deepavali on 20th. So let us hear an episode connected to Deepavali. Narakasura Vadam. Narakasura was a mighty Asura and he was the son of Bhuma Devi. Lord Krishna has promised Satyabhama, the incarnation of Bhuma Devi, that he will not kill him without her consent. Narakasura was ruling Maniparvatam in the peak of Himalayas. He had very strong fortress guarded by the Asura Murari. Because of his strength, he became unmanageable and had imprisoned 16,000 princes from various countries. Once Narakasura wanted to show his might. He took the umbrella of Varuna and Aditi Devi's earrings by force and ran away to Pragjotishapura, which was very difficult to breach, virtually impenetrable. Krishna decided that this was the time to finish Narakasura, as his woes became unbearable to everyone. He took the company of Satyabhama and proceeded to Pragjotishapura. First, Krishna destroyed the fortress and killed his commandant Mura. Narakasura attacked Krishna with mighty armories. Satyabhama, who was driving the chariot of Sri Krishna, was witnessing all this. Narakasura, in an effort to save himself, brought out Shakti Ayudham and Trisulam. Krishna looked at Satyabhama and dispatched his Chakrayuda. Chakrayuda beheaded Narakasura effortlessly. Krishna entered the fortress and released all the 16,000 princes who prayed that he marry them. Krishna gave new dresses and ornaments and sent them all to Dwaraka. Later he went to Indralokam and returned the earrings of Aditi and the umbrella of Varuna. Every time Vishnu wants to save his devotees, it is Chakrayuda which is at the fore. Narakasura Vadam marks the victory of good over evil, and we all celebrate it as Deepavali. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய தீபாவளி வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா, ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா.